Ladies and gentlemen, the video is about getting rid of pop-up windows that come from the website rockstartpush.net. rockstartpush.net. So this is a dangerous pop-up that tries to force you into subscribing to its web push notifications. So it displays pretty misleading alerts claiming that you need to click allow button to confirm that you are not a robot. Whenever people agree with the proposal and do click on that allow button, their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So people start getting a lot of different ads popping up in the right section of the screen, as you can now clearly see. In fact, there is a great number of other similar sites that try to force you into subscribing to their push notifications. Of course, there is nothing wrong when some sites offer push notifications. For instance, this could be some commercial site that may try to notify you about latest items in stock. But when we deal with pages like rockstartpush.net, it's extremely dangerous for you to interact with it, because once the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked and infected immediately. And often these redirections may point you to a lot of malicious websites that may considerably damage your system. So what to do if the allow button was clicked? Now go to the menu of your Google Chrome browser, click on Settings. Then you need to scroll down to the area called Privacy and Security. Choose Site Settings. Now find Permissions and choose Notifications. At this point, you need to research the allow area very carefully. And when you find this rockstartpush.net, be sure to remove it from the list completely. Also, you might find some other deceptive sites of similar nature, so you need to get rid of them too. Finally, after all these deceptive sites are deleted, even from the blog area, the problem should be fixed. So in your case, the list of these malicious websites in the allow area could be longer than my list, but once you get rid of all these malicious pages, the trouble with intrusive pop-ups should be resolved. I also recommend that you research your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com directly. Start scanning your computer with this program, and it will help you to detect other problems with your computer that may considerably slow down its performance. How to use Combo Cleaner for fixing your Windows computer and repairing your browser-related problems. After the program has been successfully downloaded and installed, click on its icon on the desktop. Then you may choose the preferred scan type, whether it is Quick Scan, Full System Scan or Custom Scan, and then click on Start Scan. But remember that some scan types are only available in the premium version of the program. So let's choose Quick Scan and click on Start Scan button. The program begins the scanning of our computer, and as you can clearly see, some suspicious items were already identified during the scan. After the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give us the detailed report about the condition of our Windows computer. So let's suppose that the scanning has been completed. Of course, in your particular case, the scanning would take a little bit longer. So let's assume that the scanning is over. So the program gives us the detailed report about threats found, and it shows what exact threats these are. For instance, it gives us this alert about some issues found with Google Chrome. This means that the program detected some problems with malicious sites involved in displaying web push notifications without your control. So consider upgrading to the premium version to get your Windows computer fully protected.